All right, we're loaded down. We're ready to go. Let's see if my little baby will pull this. I know we need the other truck, but this is all we got. So let's see what she can do. See if we come back with a motor.
You need like the spaces for your shocks. That way it comes up.
I know. Look at this.
I'm gonna smush back to you guys.
I don't even know where you guys are gonna fit. Get in where you fit in. You ready? All right.
Oh my God! I'm
Joy. Joy's like, what's going on? All right. We'll see you when we get there. So we are getting everything set up. It's Angel's bed, Aston's bed, and I'm doing Aston, Aiden. Your phone? No. Angel, me and Alana are gonna sleep over there. The kids are riding already. Let's see. Everyone's out there riding. Yeah. So we'll come back in a little bit.
This little boy is peeing.
Now see this.
What is that one about?
You want us to go faster?
I need to go forward. Hey, I mean, oh shit! I don't know. All right, ready? Come on. Done making our hot chocolate and we're going to bed now, but we're gonna talk to each other.
Can you put the top on that water?
What? Oh
no, on the water. What you got to say, Aston?
Nothing.
Nothing. You warm?
It's just a knockout.
You at the knockout? Yeah. Okay. So it's pretty nice in here, pretty warm. We got 1, 2,
12 of us.
3, lots of room. Can't really tell though. I'm trying to flash the light. Does this light go brighter? Oh no, it turns colors.
Leave like this, leave like that.
Wait a minute, I'm changing the light all colors. Oh my god. Is it bright?
Yeah, it's bright enough.
I don't think this is a bright mode. Now what did I do?
Let me see the light.
Here.
I've been messing with your light all yesterday. Alright,
I'm
so
about
what do
to
you want
eat. I haven't ate really anything. I want it bright. No.
Creep.
Okay, yeah, that one. Still really can't see. Turn that light on right there.
I'm gonna stop you creeping out them.
Alon. This is our bed. Lots.
Stop.
That's Angel.
What's so funny?
Alon's on
Crack right now.
hot chocolate crack. Can't really see.
Hey, Mom, the kid on YouTube where he hits the ball to his head.
Oh, what time is it? Alon?
It's 12.
12?
Hey, it's time.
Alright, 12 is what we're about to go to sleep. So
See you tomorrow.
we can do some more stuff tomorrow. When we got here, it was a little crazy. We didn't even really do the setup because it was just crazy as soon as we got here. Everybody, the kids wanted to ride.
Wow.
Well, that's what you get for playing on it. And you'll blow it up again tomorrow. Look how you're stepping on it.
What? What's the... Oh.
You look how dirty you are. Oh, well, you're sleeping dirty.
Well, tomorrow I'm gonna change.
Okay.
What do you mean? What is it? What is this supposed to?
Aston
It's supposed
change.
to go in the bag.
I don't know.
Like, is it off?
Yeah, turn it off. You
This is
don't
my
need it on.
midnight.
Here, put it down here. Joy was supposed to sleep with us, but she's not. All right, so
We're gonna stop right here. We'll see you tomorrow when we're riding. Peace.
peace.
Peace.